So I managed to get that compost bin from here and put in a more permanent place. I still, need to work on cutting this lilac bush. I'm just going to do a little at a time. That's all I can do because it's just a lot. Well, not a lot, but considering someone still never moved that pile of crap. When I get this done, I will have enough room for another 4x4 bed. That's the plan anyway. Maybe enough. Maybe I'll do a 4x6. Just be a little odd for Bennett. But when that's done, the compost bin that's down there will be moved up here. That's the plan. I took the hoops from over there and put them here because this is going to be my little hoop house here. Maybe I'll do two. I'm thinking maybe just one though, because this one is ready to go. And it never fails. They're already digging. You stupid squirrels. Alright, that's enough of that. I took one of the big pots to my mom that had 2 rose bushes in it. I gotta put them in her yard tomorrow because I've been out here since before the sun came up, and now the sun is going down. Can you see the sunset a little bit? Oh man. And I need to harvest some more of this kale because with that dehydrator, turning it into kale powder is kind of perfect. Kind of like perfect because I can just add it to whatever to get the nutrients. Alright, I'm going inside. I never even got a chance to mow the lawn today, and I was supposed to do that. I took the mower out.